Hi guys, we made it to Miami. We just got here. We actually got here last night, but we just got to like Miami. We landed in Fort Lauderdale, slept the night there, woke up really late, and had a really good start to the morning and got dressed. So now we're in our rental car. I feel like I have so much to say. So we're on our way to Miami. So excited for this weekend getaway. Are you excited?
So excited, but I missed Tulum.
I know.
I keep talking about it.
I know, but this is gonna be just as fun. Make it right here.
Here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. We suck at directions.
We totally suck at this. And I'm like the worst navigator.
You are, because you're so busy vlogging.
Okay, make a right. The next one.
The next one?
Yeah.
What's the next one? The street or what?
71st Street.
Oh shit. There's a... What is this? A rooster?
We're going to like this organic brunch spot and it's supposed to be so cute.
1st Street?
Yeah, this is 71st.
Right or left?
Right.
Okey-dokey.
So excited. I'll take you guys along with me. It's just gonna be so fun. So.
And then you have your event today too.
Oh yeah, and our event is tonight. So I'm actually here in Miami for the La Prairie event and I'm so excited.
Straight?
Keep going straight, yep. So we'll see you guys when we get to our cafe. Oh my god, the food was so good.
So good.
It was
so good.
So good. We didn't expect it to be that good, but if you guys are ever in Miami, try out Organic Bites. Oh, so good. I got a veggie burger and sweet potato fries, and we just got to Miami Design District. This area is seriously so cute. It's my 3rd time being here, and every time I like fall in love. So
my
cute.
first time.
Yeah, how do you like Miami?
I love it so far.
Isn't it so cute? All the shops are so cute. So if you haven't been to Miami District, basically they have a bunch of designer stores and every storefront is designed like super unique and different to their brand's like kind of liking. Yeah, so cute. We're inside the YSL store now in the art district, and Aksa bought a purse. Oh my god, which one did you end up buying?
I got the black.
She was choosing between these two. She really wanted the black one, and I was saying the gold one, but we settled on the black one.
The black.
Right? Oh my god, are you excited? So cute. I think this is definitely her style. This is so her. And these are just good classic bags. Good purchase. I'm really proud of you. I was debating.
You're my stylist.
Oh my god. I was debating between these shoes, but then I decided I'm not gonna get them. These are so cute too. I'm like always wearing sneakers.
And right now you're
Literally. And my sneakers are so dirty. I wore these to Vietnam and look how sick they are. These are from ASOS for $14. Aksa made her purchase. Let's go. So we're at the Dior Cafe. It is seriously so stinking cute. She got the cutest latte and it said Dior on it. And before I could even vlog it, she literally took her spoon and like mixed it.
I don't like foam.
I know, but I wanted it on my vlog. It was so cute.
Sorry guys.
Okay, this place is so cute. So what I got was acai bowl, and Aksa got this little dessert thing. How cute is this? You love Miami?
I love it so much.
Miami is so fun. This is my 3rd time here, and I love it every time.
So fun.
It's her 1st time here though.
It is my 1st time. And we're having so much fun.
I know, it's such a short trip, but it's seriously so much fun. So yeah, I'm gonna actually start eating this. Let me do a first impression on here.
Yeah.
Do you want some?
I'm trying to bite after.
This vlog is probably a total mess, but this is exactly how our day is going. It's so hectic. So I ended up getting dressed in the car. I did not plan to wear this outfit. I had another pleated skirt and I had a fancier top and even a different hijab. But everything's in my suitcase and it's all wrinkly, and we never made it to our hotel early enough to get dressed and stuff. So while Aksa was driving, I literally was changing in the car, did my makeup all over again while I did it on top. And this is pretty much what I look like now. And I'm actually even late. I'm like 10 minutes late. But we're pulled up right in front and I'm just gonna walk down onto the beach. Okay, fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go inside and I'll see you guys later, and Aksa will join me later. Bye!
I'm up for anything.
Okay, I'm back in the car and look who is the best friend in the entire world. She waited an hour and a half for me in the car, just chilling.
I sure did.
She didn't want to go back to the hotel because we haven't checked in yet and the reservation is under my name. So she was just being really nice.
You owe me.
Sorry, you can have whatever is in my little goodie bag. How about that? Okay, why don't you open it on camera?
Okay.
Here's your gift.
You're so stupid. What if it's not even anything I use?
I think it's gonna be like a full-size product at least.
The way I'm opening it? What is it though?
I don't know.
It's a white caviar, a little baby size though. It's mine.
Let me see, wait, hold on.
Mine.
Oh my god, this is so expensive.
Mine. Thank you.
You're welcome. So what are we eating? I'm starving.
Oh my god, my waist is acting stupid. I'm starving. I waited a full hour and a half. All we've had is literally breakfast and then we
and
had
your
coffee.
cafe.
Yes, that was not worth. First of all, we spent like $40 there.
No, more than that. We spent like $60 for a cup of coffee and a thigh bowl and a piece of chocolate.
I'm literally like the tiniest.
Yeah.
But like,
it was stupid.
I'm so hungry.
Are we gonna eat something halal?
Yeah, let's do meat. Well, I eat. So, you. Yeah, we'll go to a halal place for you.
Like what? Okay, let me look stuff up. Okay, we're gonna go find somewhere to eat. Yeah, we can go there afterwards. I'll be back later. We finally made it out to dinner. It is literally, what time is it? 11 p.m., 10:30. The last time we ate was at the cafe and we're so hungry. So we're at this really cute Indian restaurant. It's called The Key. And we ordered spicy cauliflower. It looks so good. We're supposed to eat it lettuce wrap style. And then some samosas. Yeah, I'm so excited. We got 3 cookies, a s'mores, and 2 birthday cake. We're gonna give one to the valet driver because he let us park illegally, so we're trying to be nice. How cute is this place? Spill tea, not milk, so cute. What are we trying? I'm gonna try this one.
That's a marshmallow.
I'm gonna take off the marshmallow.
Ooh, look at that. It's warm?
Mm-hmm. Oh my god.
Oh my god, so good.
Got the goods, taking 2 boxes back to our hotel room. There's actually only a cookie left in each box. And one is for the valet guy, so. There he is. He's gonna be so happy.
Yes, your cookie is here.
You know you got lucky, right? This was the last cookie they had.
You are the best. Thank
You're
you
welcome.
very much. As soon as I heard the card, I was like, oh, damn, the cookie.
Good morning, guys. We just made it to the beach. It is so pretty here. The weather is so perfect. The sky is so clear. The water is crashing and it is just one beautiful day. Aksa's already walked off because I'm taking forever per the usual. We found this spot for brunch. Super excited to try it out. I've actually been here already once before, but I totally forgot what we got. So excited to see what they have for brunch. So cute. It's sitting right out on I think it was Collins Drive or maybe Ocean Drive, and you can see the beach right down there. So cute. Pancakes sucked. They were not good. I've been craving some really good pancakes for the last 2 days and I'm not getting them. They were not good. But her food was good, so.
I'm up for anything.
Back to the beach. We came here earlier this morning and it's just so beautiful. The sun is about to set. It just looks so stunning. It looks like cotton candy. We're just sitting out on the beach watching the sunset and just waiting for it to go before we go back inside. It has seriously been one of the funnest trips to Miami. And I'm probably going to end the vlog here because we have an hour drive to Fort Lauderdale tomorrow morning where we head out from the airport there. And we're probably honestly just going to be in such a hurry to be vlogging. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. We're probably just going to go out for dinner tonight and just relax and just enjoy our rest of the time here. So I hope you guys enjoy this and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!